In this video tutorial, you are going to learn how to use the magic wand tool to get rid of the carpet David Beckham is standing on. You need to make sure you have selected the magic wand tool. This is the fourth tool from the toolbar menu. If it isn't the magic wand tool, you need to hold on to it. I'm now going to click on the carpet. You will notice it's not selecting a large percentage of the carpet. This is because the tolerance is at a low level. You will need to increase it to about 35. Again, if you think this isn't suitable, you can increase it to a slightly higher level. I'm going to hold on to Shift to select the rest of the carpet. You will now notice it has been selected. This is the area that I want to colour into a different colour. I am going to use the paint bucket tool to do this. My colour is set at pink. I'm going to change this. I'm now going to use my paint bucket tool to highlight it. You will notice there's still bits of red, so I'm going to zoom in by clicking on the keys Control and Plus. This will zoom in and will allow me to colour in aspects that haven't been selected already. Once you are happy with this, by all means zoom out and have a look how your picture looks. To zoom out, select Control minus on your keyboard. There you go. You can also click back on the magic wand tool, double click anywhere on the image to get rid of the dotted line. I think that looks quite good. The next tool I'm going to use is going to be the burn tool. I can size to about 49. I'm going to select the area I want to make slightly darker to make it look as if David Beckham had a sweaty armpit. You can also use the dodge tool to make it slightly lighter. I think that looks quite realistic, so I am going to leave it as it is. You may also decide to use the dodge tool for David Beckham's face to make him look slightly less tanned. Again, the dodge tool just makes your image slightly lighter. See if you can now use the dodge tool, the magic wand tool and the burn tool to try to edit your image.